The answer that you all have been waiting for. The truth about my curly ends is... What's up, royals? Welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to do a quick video because I've been getting so many questions on Instagram about this topic. So I just wanted to shed some light on it, let you guys know what was up so that we could just all know what's going on. Okay? All right, let me put y'all down. Oh shoot. Okay, so I got my pillow right here. Okay, so today's topic is my curly ends. These babies right here. This. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of questions. Particularly, people have been asking me how I maintenance my ends, my curly ends. I guess you can say they're curly. Yeah, I guess they're pretty loose. Yeah, how I maintain my ends, if I do stuff like comb them out, or if I brush them, or if I like finger coil them, or just how I maintenance them in general. The answer that you all have been waiting for. The truth about my curly ends is I don't maintenance my ends. I don't maintenance my hair at all. I semi-freeformed, which you know if you follow all of my lock videos and my lock journey. So I don't maintenance my ends. I don't finger coil them. I don't comb them out. I don't do anything to them. I'm just basically letting them form how they're gonna form. If you watch my lock journey, you'll see how my hair has just formed into these curly ends naturally. They've been like this since I started my locks. And the funny thing is, I said this in my 18th month lock update, that I'm just basically waiting for my ends to shrink into my hair basically, and just do that naturally on its own. And since then I feel like my hair has definitely been shrinking into each other. I don't feel like they are as I don't feel like they're as curly as they used to be. They used to be really curly on the ends, and now they don't have much curl to them, I would say. I mean, they do have curl, but not much. And if you can tell, basically my curly ends are matted. They're like, the ends of my hair are like a matted curl because I haven't touched them, or I haven't combed them out or anything, or tried to maintain them so that they can stay loose. These curls are basically like one matted curl. All of the strands in the curl are just compressed and stuck together. So the curls are not gonna change. They're not gonna look any different because it's just matted together. If you can see that. You see how that's just matted? And I'm just letting everything just compress into each other slowly. So what I'm thinking is, I'm thinking I'm gonna give my ends another year and see what they do. Well, not give them another year, but yeah, I'm just gonna let my hair just do what it does naturally. I keep saying that. But at the beginning, it's funny because I was like, oh, my ends are still loose or whatever. When are they gonna lock up? But now I've just learned to embrace them because I feel like that's what's making my locks unique from anyone else's, is that my ends are loose and they do look unique. So I'm actually really loving it. So I don't plan on maintaining my ends. I plan on just letting them grow into whatever they're gonna form into naturally. I feel like they are starting to shrink into each other, so I don't know how much longer these loose ends are gonna last, but I'm just going to enjoy them while I can, because I can see that they're starting to mat and they're starting to get thicker on the ends. And yeah, I might not have this look in a few years. They might look totally different. I have no idea. But just to clear the air, just to shed some light on how I maintenance my ends, I don't maintenance them at all. For the girls who do want loose ends, I'm sure that you can maintenance them. You can comb your ends out. You can brush your ends. You can finger coil them to get a similar look. They might not look as matted as these. They'll probably look a little maintenance, but I mean, if you want that look, then go for it. I'm sure you can achieve it. But I just want to say, everybody's locks are unique to them. So just embrace your locks and their uniqueness. Don't compare yours to anybody else. I mean, your hair texture is totally different from mine. Everybody is different, and you just have to embrace your own journey. But yeah, I'm glad that I got to let you guys know about these ends of mine, because at the beginning I was like, I don't want no loose ends, and now I've just, a part of my journey, I've just learned to embrace my ends. So I'm definitely loving them. And yeah, I felt like that was a great question to make a video on, so I was like, let me go ahead and do this real quick. But today is Babe's birthday, so I'm gonna see if he wants to do anything. It's a little cloudy out, so I don't know. But yes, thank you so much for dropping in today. Yeah, so that's it for this video today. Make sure that you check out all my other lock videos if you're interested in the journey of my semi-freeform locks. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. Your favorite place to be if you love motherhood, locks, and lifestyle videos. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, Royals.